Kill roaches in 24 hours or less? That's right, I have the newest product in roach control, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you guys have not gone over to Roach Academy at our YouTube channel and you are dealing with roaches right now, I would encourage you to go over there, and we have a series that has started with identifying roaches all the way up to the different treatments of German, American, and Oriental. Now, I understand there's other roaches out there, and some of you may be dealing with those also, but most of the stuff I'm talking about will take care of those roaches too. But guys, today I have a brand new product from Syngenta. Pros out there, you know Syngenta. You've used their products for many years. DIYers, you may not know, but they are a big player in the pest control industry. Guys, Syngenta is known for their cockroach gel called Advion Cockroach Gel. Now, you've seen in Cockroach Academy, I have done Vendetta Plus, product that I absolutely love. Why do I love Vendetta Plus? Because not only does it have an ingredient to kill the adult roaches, but they have put what's known as an IGR into their product. Well, until now, nobody's competed with this at all. Well, I think Syngenta said, screw that, and we are going to come up with a formulation that is going to be so powerful, so effective on killing those roaches that it will be the numero uno cockroach control gel. Now, I don't know about that, but it's going to be a fantastic product, and it is a fantastic product, and we have put it in our arsenal and our rotation. What am I talking about from Syngenta, guys? I am talking about Advion Trio. So what have they done to make this so great? Well, Syngenta not only took an adulticide that wipes out the adult roaches like most of the cockroach gels do, but they have put three active ingredients in this, guys. So they have the indoxacarb, which is the active ingredient. Do you care about that? No, you don't care about that, but that's the chemical name, okay? And then they have put in two different forms of IGRs. Now, I mentioned IGRs at the beginning of this video. What is that? It is an insect growth regulator. Basically means it disrupts the cycle of the roaches, and they've done it in two ways. They've affected them with one IGR that affects the adults or the nymphs, the juveniles, from becoming adults, so maturing into adults, and then they've taken the other one that jacks up the system and they can't reproduce. So they've hit them with two different components of IGRs. Man, this is a knock it out of the park cockroach gel from Syngenta. Now, where do you put this cockroach gel? Most of your German roaches, you see I'm in a kitchen right now. Does it mean all German roaches are in kitchens? No, they can be in bathrooms, they can be in other rooms of the house, they can be in garages. But what about Advion Trio and the other roaches? Kills them all, guys. It kills them all. Not only the Americans, not only the Germans, not only the Orientals, but what about the brown banded? What about the wood roach? It takes care of them, guys. This takes care of a plethora of roaches. So it's going to be a go-to for indoors and outdoors. Okay, so you see I'm in a kitchen. We will talk about kitchen placement in a minute and other areas that you can place this. But how effective is the Advion Trio as far as like secondary poisoning, secondary kill? What does that mean? It means not only do the roaches ingest the Advion Trio, and then it doesn't even get active until it gets into their stomach system. So it allows them to eat it, continue to get back to the nest, and then it starts taking effect in their stomach through digestion. But the secondary kill is this, guys. If that roach dies back at the colony where everybody's hiding out, because you're only seeing the roaches that are coming out, you got a whole plethora of those suckers buried back in your walls, your cabinets, voids, and things like that. Now, when those roaches that have eaten the Advion, they die, the other roaches eat those roaches. Not only eat them, they eat their feces, because that's how nasty roaches are, and the secondary kill takes effect. So it's not just the roaches that eat it, it's the ones that eat the roaches and eat their poo-poo, okay? So what else do we got going here? Professional grade, you guys know it's a professional grade product. Where can you put Advion? You can put this in homes, you can put this in hospitals, you can put this in food processing plants, non-food processing plants, and I mentioned in the beginning, indoors and outdoors. I talked about in the intro, how fast does it take place? 24 hours, man. It is a 24-hour start to kill once they have ingested that product. Now, does it mean you're going to wipe out your infestation once and for all in 24 hours? No, it typically takes a little longer than that. If you have a very light, I see the occasional roach, and let me tell you, if it's in a kitchen, it's German, it's not I have the 1 or 2 roaches, okay? That's just all you're seeing. They're buried back in the cupboards, the walls, the voids, like I said before. Okay, let's take the Advion Trio and let's get into it, and I'll start explaining how much you're gonna put out and how to apply this product. So this is how the Advion Trio is gonna come from howtopest.com. Anything I talk about in my videos, in today's videos, they will be up on the screen either here or here, I don't know, in a QR code. This is YouTube shopping. It couldn't be any simpler. If you think a product, after I've explained it to you, is gonna work for you and your household, you and your business, hit that QR code, product will be shipped directly to your house. We are making this as simple as possible. So let's bust this open. This is called a clamshell, okay? They call it a clamshell because of how it opens. It looks like a clamshell. Now, why am I gonna struggle opening this, okay? You're gonna put your hand right here. You're gonna pop this bad boy open, and you're gonna see it has the directions right here. This is what's called the label, guys. Label is king. Whatever this says, even if Craig says it, it's not on this label, Craig's wrong, label's right, okay? I'm gonna give you an easier way to read this label. Go over to howtopest.com, go in the search bar, punch in Advion. Advion Trio will pop up along with all the other Syngenta items out there. You can blow that label up now. As you scroll down, it'll have a section that says label, hit that, boom, it'll blow up, and you can magnify that as big as you need it to be. So when you open this up and you see the directions, the first thing I recommend is throwing the directions away because you have me, okay? And then I just told you how to make them bigger. That is for 20/20 vision, which I don't have. Maybe you do. If you do, pick it up off the ground and read it, okay? In the clamshell, it looks like this. 4 little syringes, like little shots at the doctor's office. Along with that, it's going to have a plunger, like so. And then it's going to have tips. In the Advion Trio, they give you metal tips that I just dropped on the floor. So we'll just grab the next one. Metal tips right here. How do you put these on and how do you use it? Well, you're gonna take this syringe that I showed you right here. And if I don't drop that one, and you are just going to twist this cap off, okay? It is counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, it twists off. You put that to the side, you take your tip of choice right here, and you put it right there in place of where that cap was, and you go clockwise right back on. You are good to go. This metal tip is allowing you to get back in where the roaches hide, cracks and crevices. Now, on every gel bait out there that I've come across, they always say you can also put a bead along with dots. So they give you a preference. I'm not a bead guy, okay? I don't like the bead form of application. I like dots. So how many and how big are the dots gonna be? Well, you're gonna take this plunger, and when you apply these dots, they are going to be pea size, the size of a pea, 1/4 inch or less. German roaches do not like blobs of bait. They prefer little amounts. So you don't want to just take this and go bleh all over the countertop or wherever you're putting this. When you put these dots out, how many are you putting out? Okay, light infestation, 1 to 3 dots. Heavy infestation, 3 to 5 dots. 1 to 5, 3 to 5. How big of an area, Craig? 10 linear feet, okay? 1 to 3, 10 linear feet, 3 to 5. I'd tell you go 3 to 5, okay? Because it's usually never a little infestation. It's just you think it is because that's all you see. They are hidden in the dark cracks and crevices. Now, speaking of cracks and crevices, that's where you're gonna wanna apply this. Guys, follow me over here to this cabinet right here. If this were your cabinet and you had issues, I would stay away from my plates and I would go back into corners like so. I would go back, all right, you probably can't see me, I'm blocking it, into the hinges. They love hinges. What about toasters, like right here? Can you put this in the toaster? Heck yeah, man. Sourdough and bait, fantastic combination. Come on, man. You can't go in the toasters, okay? You can't go anywhere where your food goes. And you can't put it anywhere where the heat is gonna get to 120, 130, and hotter. It will melt the bait and it will make the matrix less effective. But can you go underneath the toaster where they hide? Heck yeah. In the crumb tray? No. But on the outside, yes. Now, I want to give you a pro tip out there. A lot of you don't like the idea, I don't even like the idea, of bait directly on my surfaces, especially in my kitchen. What's an option to that? Well, us pros out there, what we do is we cut cardboard strips, little square cardboard strips from an old box, doesn't matter. And now you're gonna put that pea-sized dot on the cardboard strip and place them in the areas, like say you're up in here with your vitamin cabinet and you just want to put one up there in the corner. When you're done, now you can take that and you can just toss it in the trash. Now, I want you to see this refrigerator right here. This is a hot spot for roaches, guys. They go behind the fridge, they go into the condensation pan. That is an area you want to bait. So you're gonna have to do your due diligence and you're gonna have to pull this bad boy out and bait back in that condensation pan or around the vents that lead into the components of the refrigerator. Now, cabinets down below, yes, for sure. Dishwashers are big, guys. They hide in there because on the sides of the dishwasher, because of the insulation, the condensation and the moisture back there. So it's a big area for German roaches. Now, are you gonna pull the dishwasher out? No, you're gonna bait around the dishwasher. Once again, not in the dishwasher itself. Under the sink is a big one too, and it's because there's pipes that lead in. There's electrical units that lead in from the exterior walls, and you want to bait that because they are going to hide in that. Now, before you bait that, man, you're going to want to do your seal up. You got to seal these things up because that's what's giving them those harborages to hide in. So any cracks or crevices that lead into the walls, you're going to have to caulk, drywall, seal, however you're going to do that, but you got to do that. Now on the outside, we talked about being able to put Advion Trio on the outside. Yeah, you can go up along trees, things like that, but you got to realize the elements are going to kind of wash that away over time. So the more protected the bait is, the longer it's going to last. What about window seals? Because they're coming in through the weep holes of the windows and the screens. Yes, fantastic place to put it, plus the bait is more protected. Now, pets, children, things like that. We just went out to the trees on the outside. You got to be cognizant of that. If you have pets that you're worried about, children, then you can't put it in those areas. You got to keep it out of sight, out of mind. Now, I want to give you a professional way that we do this too when we ship out some of our packs. We have what are called bait trays. You can get these at howtopest.com and we will put a link right there. I think they come in packs of 10s. So if you need bait trays, they're a fantastic option. They also work well if you're baiting one section right in there and the other section you're putting a granular because you're dealing with ants and you don't know if they're going after the proteins or the carbohydrates. It allows you to put both in there and let them make that choice, but that's for ants. But this is also fantastic for gel baits like Advion Trio. Okay, excellent rotation product. What does that mean? I have talked about rotation products in a multitude of my videos. I always talk about it, as a matter of fact. Those of you that don't know, you have to rotate, and this basically holds true for ants and roaches, okay? You basically have to rotate your products ever so many months. Now, you know my recommendation is 4 to 6 months, okay? You don't rotate every month. Roaches are becoming resistant to insecticides, even more so nowadays, guys. So rotation is a big deal, especially you pros out there that have your commercial accounts where you constantly deal with German roaches in the kitchen. Now, I understand that a lot of your commercial restaurants out there, they're slobs. You've done your best to tell them what to do and they don't listen. So now they want you to solve the problem and be the magic bullet. Well, it is what it is, right? We deal with it. But rotation means it's a different form of the way it kills the insect. It's not just a different chemical, because you have two chemicals that affect the system the same way and they affect how it kills the roach the same way. It can't be that. So we talked about Vendetta Plus over at Roach Academy, and we have a video on Vendetta Plus. So I'd encourage you to go over and watch that. But I talk about how fantastic the product is, and now I'm giving you Advion Trio. It's a rotation. They are two different chemicals. They affect the system two different ways. Yes, they both have IGRs. Advion Trio put two different IGRs. That doesn't matter. They don't build up a resistance to the IGRs, okay? So they're two different chemicals in the way that they kill the roach. So Vendetta Plus and Advion Trio would be fantastic rotation baits. Which one do I use first, Craig? I have roaches. Do I do Vendetta? Do I do Advion Trio? Up to you. Up to you, playa. Doesn't matter. They're both great. They both have what I love in a product for roaches, an IGR and an adulticide, guys. So it is killing them in a plethora of ways. And then take Advion Trio, they just put another IGR on top of that, man. So they just kind of knocked it out of the park with this one, guys. Syngenta products, okay? I love them, guys. If you haven't used them, you want to use them. Is this going to be the same as going to your local hardware store and grabbing the over-the-counter product they have there? Heck no. If it was, every pro out there would just go run down to Home Depot and grab what they had on the shelf. No, we use professional-grade products because we have our name that we have to stand behind, and we want a happy customer with no callbacks. Now, if you do these roach treatments the way that I've showed you in other roach videos and in how I'm explaining it right now with Advion Trio, guys, you will get your house roach free of those German roaches. Now, remember, it deals with the Americans too. So if you're outside, you're in sprinkler boxes, conduit boxes for those Americans, you're in those dark basements, boiler rooms for the Orientals, heck yeah, places you can put this bait. But just remember, kids, pets, you got to make sure they stay away from the area. Now, PPE, what you know about me. PPE, okay, PPE, personal protective equipment. Guys, I think I have ADD. I just get sidetracked and my mind just goes, is it ADD? Attention Deficit Disorder, ADD, whatever, guys, okay? Look, I can't even focus on the video, okay? Personal protective equipment. They're not going to recommend, they're going to tell you on the label. Remember, label's king. Gloves, long pants, shoe socks, long sleeve shirt. You professionals out there, you already have that on, okay? You homeowners, listen up, man. Do what they say, protect yourself. They're not doing it because they want you hot and miserable. They want you protected. Guys, that is it on Advion Trio. Absolutely love this new bait from Syngenta. It's the latest thing in cockroach baits. If you have any questions, any comments, throw them down below in that comment section. I'm happy to answer them. I know I get sidetracked on these videos. That's how my mind works. Can't help it. Squirrel! Appreciate the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button down below. These videos come out multiple times a week. Craig, howtopest.com.